Ni hao, my Bakugan buddies. Tonight we're going to draw the TV exclusive Bakugan known as Wontu. This guy got his first appearance on the New Vestroya series. And out of all the Bakugan, this one is one of the sweetest. From the original series, of course. Now we draw this arc here. Now we draw his bunny ears. Basically, this Bakugan is half bird and half bunny. Eleanor would have loved this. Oh, hang on. She would love it. She's right here. Hello, little Eleanor. What do you think about our new video? What do you think of our latest Bakugan?
That is so interesting!
I know, right? I love drawing these guys. Alright, that takes care of the head. Now let's draw the rest of her body. Go. There's Watsu's arm. Now let's draw the rest of him. Here's his foot. And done. That's how you draw Wontu from Bakugan. I'm proud I finally got to draw you. Good night, team.